So here's the work. A sine 245 equals 6.2 sine 174.41. Divide by this here on both sides. So that will leave A by itself. Plug it into the calculator, the right hand side, and you get 1199. So for 41, you have this drawing right here. Those are the measurements that were given to you. And the question is, how tall is the tree? Okay, it's standing at a slant of 94 degrees with the ground. Okay, so first thing, since you're given this side, you would need to know this angle so you can use the law of sines. But you don't they didn't give it to you directly, but we can calculate it. We add 94 and 30, we get 124. Subtract 180 from, subtract 124 from 180, and we get 56 degrees. So that's this angle up here. So now I could set up 40 over sine 56 equals h over sine 30. So that's what I have here. You cross multiply, you get this line right here. You want h by itself, so you subtract by sine 56, so now it is by itself. Plug this into the calculator and you get 2412. Alright, so for 42, everything in black was given to you. So the 74 degree angle is the big angle right here. The outside angle is 28. So that means that the inside angle is 74 minus 28, which is 64. And then you know that these two lines are parallel. This is a transversal. So the interior same side angles are add up to 180, are supplementary. So what I did here, and I color coded it to help you out, I think, to kind of keep it organized. I added 74, which is this whole angle here, 41, and theta, the inside angle right there, and they should add up to 180. So when you solve for theta, you get 65. So this is 65. Okay, now you need this angle because they gave you that side. So you added the 46 to 65, subtracted from 180, you got 169. And so here's the law of sines. You cross multiply. You divide both sides by sine 69, so that cancels that. It leaves x by itself, and then you plug it into a calculator, and you get 77.05 meters. Okay, so again, what's in black is what was given to you, the measurements that were given to you. The first thing I looked for was this angle, this outside angle, knowing that this is going north and this is going north, so I know that this transversal makes it so that this angle and this angle are supplementary. So I took 180 minus 44 and I got 136. That's how I got that angle right there. The next thing is that it told you that, what was the name of the city? Cannon was due west of Naples, so I know that this is a 90 degree angle. So then I took 90 minus 44 and I got 46 for this angle right here. So that was enough information to set up this proportion here so I could find angle C. So I did 720 over sine 46 equals 500 over sine C, and again solved it. I got sine C equals this ratio right here, but you need the angle, so I did inverse sine and I got this. So with that 29.97 in here, I was able to get this angle by adding the 29.97 to the 46, and then knowing that the three angles together add up to 180, I got this for this angle up here. And so the bearing is this whole angle from north all the way to here. So you add the two together right here, and you get a bearing of 240 degrees and 240.03. Okay, so here's the drawing for 47. You're looking for this angle right here. Now notice that you have opposites. If you look at this triangle on the top here, you've got 17 and you've got 48 degrees. And then you have 10 and you have this angle written as this with this expression, okay? Because it's 42 from here to here, and this is theta, so that means that this would be 42 minus theta. So here's a proportion right here. 17 over sine 48 equals 10 over sine 42 minus theta. You cross multiply, same thing as before. So 17 sine 42 minus theta equals 10 sine 48. Divide by 17, so that leaves the sine 42 minus theta by itself. And so you put this into a calculator and you get this ratio. Remember, every time you're looking for an angle, you have to hit inverse sine. So you hit inverse sine and you get this angle right here, which is this angle right here, equals 2592. So it's inverse sine of this ratio. And so you're looking for theta, so then theta is 42 minus this answer right here. Okay, and that's what you get. That's your degree, that's your rise right here.